Hey guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the portfolio. Welcome back to the channel. Great to be back on YouTube. Great to see everyone back on the channel. I do hope you guys had a great week of trading this past week. For today's video, I want to go through week 43 of 2021, all of the options contracts that were pending for today. I'll put those up on screen. Contracts with Tesla, TSLA, Canopy Growth, CGC, CRISPR, CRSP, Boeing, BA, and Robinhood. HOOD, you can see $5,534 was credited to the account. Let's go ahead and look at early morning trading here, afternoon trading. These were all of the contracts that were still up at that point. Boeing, CGC, CRISPR, Robinhood, and Tesla. I did buy that Robinhood contract back and then sold off another call contract for next week. So let's go through these here. Tesla put $4,440 was credited to the account. But you can see I did a number of trades, sold off contracts, and then bought those back. You can see that up on screen here. Sold off for $4,200, bought back for $1,560, sold off for $2,220, bought back for $218, and then that current contract for next week, $4,840. Here is a Boeing contract, 12 contracts, 4 cents each, $60. Here is a CGC contract, $18 call contract. And again, a lot of these contracts are not high dollar amounts. $40 for that contract, a CRISPR contract, 105 call. $250 was credited to the account for that one. And then this Robinhood call here, I did buy this back later in the day, which we'll go over after trading ceases here. So overall, a very good day of trading. For next week, I have some contracts in as well. And if we fast forward here just a little bit in afternoon trading, just wanted to go to that Robinhood contract. A 37 call sell has been sold off. On that prior screen, you saw the contract for next week that was partially filled. So 2 different contracts. One on the bottom, partially filled. 4 quantity out of 30 that was filled for 46 cents. 184 was credited to the account. And then the other contracts here, 26 at 44 cents per contract, $1,170. I'll put those up on the board here. Week 44 for next week. Tesla contracts and Hood contracts, $6,194. Now, if we go ahead and fast forward to the end of day trading here on Friday, 10/29, you can see all of the contracts are now off of the portfolio. You see those 2 that are left over for next week, 11.5. The Hood contract, $36 call, 30 sells, and the Tesla contract, 960 put. Up on the top right hand of the screen, I'll put up all of the contracts again. Let's go ahead and go through each of those to show you guys exactly what happened with the portfolio today. So I will scroll down to the folder I have all of the stocks that I do options trading with. And let's go ahead and take a look at all of these contracts. Again, up on the right hand of the screen, I'll put all of the contracts that expired today, week 43. Again, overall, $5,534 was credited to the account. Let's take a look at Tesla. Quite a bit of trades with Tesla, as I went over on that prior video, or earlier in the video here in early morning trading. Let's scroll down to the current contracts here. Let's go into the history. And you'll see there are 3 different contracts. Was trading with the contracts, sold some contracts off, and then bought those back. You can see all of those on the screen here. Tesla on the bottom, 930 put sell, 1029, sold off for $4,200. And then I bought back for $1,560 later in the week. Sold that contract off again with Tesla. Tesla, 940 put sell, 1029, $2,220. And then bought those back, 940 put buy, 1029 for $216. And then for next week, sold off contracts at 960. 960 put sell, 11.5 for $4,840. So some very good profit with Tesla for this week. Moving down the list here, CGC, Canopy Growth. This stock, like Robinhood, has been very disappointing in the portfolio. You can see here, total return negative $36,540. That is offset partially by some options trades, but I'm still down probably around $19,000 with Canopy Growth. And as you can see on the bottom of the screen, because it has pulled back so significantly, the contracts I'm able to sell off are not that high value. Just $20 and $40 for the most part over the past couple weeks of trading. You can see that CGC $18 call sell 1029, $40 was credited to the account. Moving down the list, let's go ahead and look at CRISPR, the CRSP. I do have 500 contracts in the portfolio. Again, this is another stock that has pulled back quite significantly, negative 19,000. Again, that is partially offset by options contracts. So for this one, I'm down about $9,000. So again, all of these stocks unfortunately have been underperforming. You can see again in the middle of the screen, CRISPR 105 call sell 1029, $250 was credited to the account. Let's go ahead and take a look at Boeing. Again, a lot of these trades are not significant. Tesla has definitely been the majority of the options premium over the last few weeks of trading. This is a stock that fortunately is in the green. You can see total return 37,763, but that used to be up around 80%. So that has also pulled back quite significantly. Let's go ahead and take a look at the bottom of the screen here. BA 240 call sell 1029, $60 was credited to the account. And then let's take a look at the Robinhood contracts. Again, another very large red holding in the portfolio. You can see another 1,110 down this week, negative $46,033.50 in the red, negative 30.42%. That is a big pullback with Robinhood. I probably will sell this off at a loss for some tax loss harvesting, which I'll talk about in a different video. But again, a lot of negatives on some of these larger holdings in the portfolio. Fortunately, the options contracts have been so profitable that has definitely offset these losses. But Robinhood here, let's take a look at all of the contracts. You can see that 37 call sell 1029 for $570, bought back for $30, and then for next week up on top, sold off again. Robinhood 36 call sell 11.5, 1,170. So a very good week of trading with options. Unfortunately, some of the larger holdings have pulled back quite considerably, most notably Robinhood. Fortunately, the Ford Motor Company holdings in the portfolio have been helping out the portfolio quite tremendously here. $17.13 currently. If we take a look at the 1 month graph for Ford Motor Company, it is up almost 21%. And we take a look at the bottom of the screen here. Total return $149,236, 124.07%. So some very nice gains in Ford Motor Company. If we take a look at the portfolio again up on top, kind of an up and down pattern over the last few weeks of trading. 1 week here, you can see it is still up $3,078 because of Ford Motor Company, but over the past 1 month of trading, quite a bit of volatility up and down, still up $9,091. So overall, $764,000 and about $700. So that is the income for this week, week 43. Again, I'll put that up on the board here, up on screen. $5,534. Contracts with Tesla, Canopy Growth, CRISPR, Boeing, and Robinhood. And you can see I did a little bit of buying and selling. And then for next week, week 44, $6,194 currently. That Tesla trade up on top is very risky, so we'll have to see if there's any pullback with Tesla. I hope there is not. If there is not, I'll probably go ahead and buy that contract back and then sell off again to do a little bit more aggressive trading to make up for that large downtrend in the price of Robinhood. But again, just wanted to go over week 43 and week 44 of options trades. Let me know how you guys are doing with your portfolios. And with that, I'll kind of end the video. Again, if you guys do enjoy the content on the video series, if you guys do enjoy the channel here, feel free to like, share, and subscribe. Until next video, we'll see you then.